This is how you cook broad beans the right way. Perfectly tender, without falling apart, full of flavor, and gentle on the stomach. One simple step makes all the difference and lets you enjoy their taste without unpleasant side effects. You no longer have to avoid broad beans for fear of bloating. There's a proven method that really works. Start by rinsing the beans thoroughly in cold water. Boil water in a pot. After 3 minutes of boiling, add 1 tablespoon of salt. Then add a tablespoon of sugar. It balances the flavor. Most importantly, add a tablespoon of caraway seeds. That's the secret. Caraway makes the beans easier to digest, supports your digestive system, stimulates enzymes, and is gentle on the stomach. Now add the beans to the boiling water. If you throw in a handful of fresh dill, they'll gain a pleasant aroma. With this trick, even people with sensitive stomachs can enjoy broad beans without worry. Broad beans are a delicious seasonal veggie you should definitely enjoy from June to August.